Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today I've come up with two different words which I want to share with you all. The first word which I want to share with you is emancipation. Emancipation means the process of getting freedom from a particular control, from a particular authority. We have heard about US history. We have heard that the US slaves were tortured. So they finally got emancipation. I mean, they finally got freedom from slavery. So, emancipation is the act of getting personal freedom from any state that is the restraint from the control of someone, from the control of some authority. Another word which I want to share with you all is embodiment. If I say embodiment, that is surrounded by or symbol of. We say that she was the embodiment of an ideal mother, or she was the embodiment of love. It is an abstract noun which can be used in the sentence accordingly, and you can use it in that way that he was the embodiment of a good person, or she was the embodiment of a good and loving, caring mother. So I think you'll have understood the difference between these two words. If you'll like, you'll subscribe. Thank you.